John Locke actually was one of the founders of this, and he himself was always a friend of the proportionate tax. And one reason why Locke was right about this, in my judgment, is that with a flat tax, you've eliminated one degree of government discretion, which is to decide how much various people are going to pay as a function of income. And people will say, well, what's wrong with the progressive tax? The rich don't need the money as much as the poor. It's probably true that they don't, which is why we would hope they would give more to charity in virtue of the fact of their far greater wealth. But a flat tax is perfectly uniform. There's only one way in which it could be drawn. Their progressive tax could have any degree of slope associated with it. It could be the bottom rank is 15% and the top bracket is 17%. That makes it a progressive tax. Not worth having at that level. But if you don't know what the level of progressivity is, and if you're going to have political battles over it, and if you're going to basically tax your most productive individuals at the highest level, what will happen is you will have two effects that you really don't want. One is a lot more political intrigue over the tax brackets, which wastes a lot of money and produces absolutely nothing for it. And also the unhappy feature that the people who are most able in society receive the least reward for their efforts, which means that they're likely to switch a little bit of their labor into non-taxable activities or into leisure, which will not work well for the best of us.